Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my pre-market predictions for Nifty with one stocks using Elliott wave theory. So before we get into this analysis, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully. So let's move on to first SGX Nifty, later onwards Nifty and one stock. So as we discussed yesterday, what I thought here is it could be reached like this kind of five-way structure as a bullish, but now it did that was filed. So now what I'm looking here is the one more alternative way, right? So this wave structure is happened here, right? So 1, 2 and 3. So this wave structure exactly it got rejected and it bounced. As of now it is bouncing. So now my view is either this could be the correction or it could be later onwards converted into the diagonal pattern of wave 1 like that, or it could be a triangle as I said the before itself. So that we will see later onwards once the base structure is got ended the completed. So it will take more time. If it is a triangle, that will be a very complicated to trade as an intraday or whatever it is, or that shorter term for the scalpings. So that is a very difficult to trade in this if it is getting the three-way structures as a triangle or whatever. So now as per the previous analysis we stick to that. It is got bounced. So now I'm expecting tomorrow is the only one trading day in India, so maybe it can bounce later on in the evening itself. It can do like this. So the complete one structure of correction is got ended here, and one more bounce it's happened maybe tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow also SGX Nifty maybe it's working. So let's we will look for this in SGX Nifty, and this is the last pre-market predictions for this week, and we will I will try to do that on Saturday or Sunday. So this is the invalidation point for the bullish count as per my triangle or irregular flat, or it could be if it is a end of this fourth way and we are in the fifth way means this is the invalidation zone. So not this. And let's move on to the Nifty. So Nifty also it did see this is the wave one, right? And this is looking like somewhat maybe a correction, and it is the double bottom what I said. So now it's a bounced. So it did so far this kind of wave structure. So either this is making like this kind of thing. Once again, this is got invalid as of now. See what kind of price action and what kind of that wave formation can happen. It's unpredictable here, but the main trend we can catch that. So one correction is got completed and we are in that one more correction, or it could be converted into that later onwards. That could be a diagonal formation for the impulsive wave, or later onwards this could be a 1 2 and 1 2 like that it can convert it. So I have seen a lot of things like this kind of structure. We are expecting okay this is the three-way structure, so it is in the correction only what we said, and it will keep on overlapping, graining, and then it will break this high, and then that will convert it into the diagonal pattern also like this. This is all the a lot of examples I can give. So let's complete this pattern here. But if it breaks the high, the next resistance zone is the 18350. That I'm damn sure about this. But for that also, this is the invalidation zone, the previous low. So in Nifty. So what is the next thing we have to do is one more stock, that is Concord. It's a Container Corporation of India, and just um, trading from 6 to 7 months. So I already made a lot of good money in this. I bought it at the 500 or 550 like that. Here I started to watch, and from here I started to trade in this zone. It's a little bit only because uh, it's a past 1 year only. From that October and November only I traded for that It's a little bit bigger, but in my previous in my fund I started to trade here itself. So keep on watching that, and later onwards I converted a good money in this. So from here also, I previously I added a lot of I had already shared my view. I added here, need to add more in the bigger wave 4. Exactly I did. And later onwards, once it is going sure about this kind of price action, later onwards it's a consolidated. Immediately I exit all my positions here itself, because I know it's already broken the previous high, and that will be converted into the irregular flat formation, or it could be a running triangle like that. It can happen, and immediately I exit all my positions, and again I covered and I accumulated all the positions in 660 zone. And yesterday I didn't done anything. It came down also. It's 2 days before, but I didn't done here, because if it breaks this also, the triangle got invalid. But even though it could be expanded flat in the wave 4, and then again I'm looking only for the bounce, so I'm not going to add more positions here. Only if it breaks and that is a more confirmed, and it is I'm very satisfied with that, then only I can add my positions. Otherwise, if it is going like this kind of, again one more three-way structures and it got rejected in this, definitely I will took more positions with the stop loss of this. So then that is a confirmed A, B, C, D, E, and it can shoot for this. Minimum target is I'm expecting the 800 here. The wave 1 length has to happen in the wave 5, that is equal for the fifth wave. So the wave 1 and the wave 5, if we expected this and if we kept this, that 786 is 800, sorry, 833, and the same wavelength of that wave 1 is 878. So I'm targeting this zone. 800 to 833 is my first target, but for that also this is the invalidation. If it bounces, and then again if it comes like this, this is the target, sorry, this is the stop loss, and the target is fixed. But again from here itself, if it is breaks this low, that is not a triangle, that could be also the valid for that expanded flat in the wave 4. So here I didn't done that weekly analysis to show you with my wave count. So this is whether, see, in this is a roughly my wave count, so don't look for this. For me it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is got completed. But if you did this as a ABC is a A, ABC is a B, this could be a W, means this thing, one second, I will come to this and I will erase this and I will show you. So whether this is a three-way structure and this is the connecting wave, so we can make it this as a blue, and later onwards if this is the end of that three-way structure, or this could be the end of the three-way structure, you can calculate in any time it's a WX or ABC or whatever. See, that is why I'm not uh, deeply focused on that 1, 2, 3 ABC like that. But that is important, most important. But even though if we can make it as A or W, X or B like that, so those are the price actions we are looking for that. So either this could be like this also, right? So this could be that ABC is A, ABC is a B. So this could be A. So this is could be a B in irregular flat formation, and this could be the C also. So in either way, I'm looking only for that fifth wave. So fifth wave means, or C wave. Here wave 1 is completed, wave 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the end of the third, and I'm looking for the 5-way structure, but it's failed to make, and that is why I can that come to a conclusion whether the fourth wave is not yet completed. So I kept this as a fourth wave, or it could be a triangle also, but that is the invalidation for this as a triangle. But if it is an expanded flat, it can break this low, it will took all the stop loss here, and again it can bounce, and that is also valid for the fourth way as an expanded flat. And then fifth way will reach for the target of 800 to 833 for 786 for that wave one length. And that is my view for this shorter term target. So you hope enjoyed, and everybody happy Diwali, and fire the crackers as a safe. So enjoy your Diwali with your family. So thanks a lot, and we will see you at the same time or Saturday or Sunday. Thanks a lot. Have a nice, wonderful festival weekend. Bye.